Well, I started off doing a variety of different martial arts, taekwondo, kickboxing, a few others. After that then I went and done a couple of courses with the group in London called the European Historical Combat Guild, and they trained me in how to fight and to fall and to do all of that in front of the camera, basically without hurting yourself and making sure that it looks real. It's very similar to a script. There has to be a little storyline to the fight itself. Generally, once we have that, then it's going to depend on what the outcome of the fight is, how much time we have. The director often wants the fight to last for a specific length of time. Outside of that, then basically what I do is I break it up into small little sections, and then the only other thing outside of that is just to make sure that it's credible and people will believe that it looks real. Once we've plenty of practice done on the stunt or the fight, it's not so difficult. I can relax a little bit and then concentrate on the acting. But often, if your mind is set on something that is going to be fairly difficult, it can distract you a fair bit. But it's a little bit difficult, but at the end of the day, I mean, it's enjoyable to see things from both perspectives. Hard to say. It's nice to have a mix, and as I said, it's nice to see things from a different perspective, to be able to see how things operate from the far side of the camera. Often when you're acting, you'll be caught in your own little world, but glad of the mix. It's nice to see from both points of view, but if I had to choose between one or the other, probably be the acting. I mean, probably less dangerous at the end of the day.